Want to level up your look without breaking the bank? Welcome back to the Modern Man's Guide. Today, we're diving into a complete glow-up kit that'll cost you less than $1,000 but will make you feel like $1,000,000. I've curated a list of essentials that every man should have to boost his confidence, style, and presence. Whether you're just starting out or looking to refine your look, these items will help you shine, and each one is chosen with quality, versatility, and affordability in mind. Let's jump right in. First up, let's talk skincare. Skincare might not be something you've thought much about, but trust me, it's the backbone of a polished appearance. Great skin boosts your confidence, and it's one of the first things people notice. And while skincare can feel overwhelming, you don't need dozens of products. For just about $100, you can create a simple routine that covers all the essentials. Start with a gentle cleanser. Look for something that removes dirt, oil, and impurities without stripping your skin of moisture. A gentle cleanser ensures that your skin stays balanced and ready for the day. After cleansing, follow up with a moisturizer suited to your skin type. This keeps your skin hydrated and smooth. If you have oily skin, look for a lightweight, oil-free moisturizer. If you have dry skin, choose something more nourishing. The final product in your skincare kit is sunscreen. I cannot stress enough how important sunscreen is. It protects your skin from sun damage, prevents premature aging, and keeps your complexion even. Go for an SPF 30 or higher and make it part of your daily routine, even on cloudy days. A good sunscreen doesn't have to feel greasy or heavy. There are plenty of lightweight formulas out there. Consistency is key here. Using these products daily will keep your skin looking fresh and healthy. Plus, taking care of your skin shows that you invest in yourself, which leaves a lasting impression. Next, let's dive into fragrance. Scent is often overlooked, but it's an incredibly powerful way to make a memorable impression. A great fragrance can boost your confidence, set the tone for how others perceive you, and most importantly, express your personality. The best part? You don't need to spend hundreds of dollars on a designer cologne to smell amazing. For around $80, you can find a signature scent that reflects your style. If you're new to fragrances, consider exploring the different types of scents. Fresh, clean notes like citrus and herbs are energizing and work well for everyday wear. Warm, spicy notes with hints of amber, vanilla, or sandalwood add depth and sophistication for evening events. When choosing a fragrance, think about how it makes you feel and what vibe you want to project. To get the most out of your fragrance, apply just a couple of sprays on your pulse points, wrists, neck, and behind the ears. These areas emit heat, which helps the fragrance develop and last longer. Just remember that less is more. You want people to catch a hint of your scent, not be overwhelmed by it. With a great scent, you'll feel more confident and ready to leave a lasting, positive impression. Moving on to grooming tools. A small investment here can make a huge impact. Grooming is often the difference between looking put together and looking like you just rolled out of bed. For around $120, you can create a grooming kit that includes an electric trimmer, a nail care kit, and a quality comb. First, an electric trimmer is essential for keeping facial hair neat and in shape. Whether you prefer a clean shave, a subtle stubble, or a full beard, a trimmer gives you control. A well-groomed beard shows attention to detail and adds to your polished appearance. Additionally, invest in a nail care kit. Clean, trimmed nails may seem like a small detail, but they signal self-respect and professionalism. Lastly, a high-quality comb helps you manage your hairstyle, ensuring you look polished throughout the day. Make grooming a regular part of your routine. Even just a few minutes each day can make a big difference. Tidy facial hair, neat nails, and a maintained hairstyle all contribute to an overall impression of being well-groomed and ready for anything. Grooming isn't just about looking good, it's about feeling prepared and confident. Let's move on to style, the area where you can truly define and express yourself. Your wardrobe is a powerful tool, and by investing in a few versatile pieces, you can create a solid foundation for your personal style. You don't need a wardrobe packed with clothes to look great. For around $300, you can build a strong collection of essentials that will elevate your style and adapt to any occasion. Here's a breakdown. Start with a quality white button-down shirt. It's a timeless classic that can be dressed up or down. Wear it under a blazer for formal events, or pair it with jeans for a more casual look. Next, a fitted pair of jeans in a dark wash is a must-have. They're versatile, comfortable, and can be styled for both casual outings and semi-formal occasions. Finally, a dark blazer is an essential investment piece that adds instant polish to any outfit. The fit of your clothes is crucial. Even the best pieces won't look good if they don't fit properly. Consider visiting a tailor to get your basics fitted to your body. Tailoring ensures that your clothes complement your frame, which makes you look more put together and confident. Style is personal, but these versatile basics give you the foundation to build your wardrobe and express yourself. And finally, let's talk accessories, the finishing touches that pull everything together. Accessories may be small, but they add character and sophistication to your look. For under $100, you can pick up a few essentials that enhance your style and bring a sense of completeness to your outfit. First, a minimalist watch is an excellent accessory. It's functional, stylish, and shows that you value both time and aesthetics. Opt for a design that's simple and versatile, something that works for both day and night. Next, a quality leather wallet is another subtle but impactful item. Choose a slim design that easily fits in your pocket without bulk. This small investment reflects an attention to quality and organization. Lastly, a classic belt is an accessory you'll use almost daily. It's functional, yes, but it also completes your look and adds a layer of polish. When choosing accessories, go for timeless, neutral designs that work with various outfits. These small details may not be obvious, but they make a big impact on your overall style. Accessories are a subtle way to showcase your personality and refinement. So there you have it, fellas. A complete glow-up kit for under $1,000 that covers all the essentials. With a little thought and investment, you can transform your style, grooming, and confidence, all without spending a fortune. This kit isn't just about looking good, it's about feeling empowered and stepping up in every area of your life. Thanks for watching The Modern Man's Guide. If you enjoyed this video, be sure to like, subscribe, and comment on what items you're excited to try. Here's to looking sharp, feeling confident, and making each day a chance to be your best self. Until next time, stay classy and stay confident.